If you're getting this error on YouTube while watching your favorite videos, maybe even mine, there are only a few things you can do to actually fix that, and I'll show you them in this video. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k follower guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are in fact new to the channel for social media growth. Let's get to the computer and I'll show you what you gotta do. Okay, so the first thing you can actually do is clear your cache. How do you clear your cache? Well, there's a few ways. I found some Google answers. One from support.google.com. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Chrome app. We're on Google Chrome right now. At the top right, more, click this. If you're on the computer, tap history. We can do that here from clicking this and then click going on setting. Then we go on history, clear that. Also next to cookies, silent data, clear cache and images. You can also clear the cookies. Sometimes that helps. I've seen this work for some people. Another thing that you gotta do is click on this ad block. If you have ad block, this can actually crash YouTube and get you this error. So what you gotta do is just click on remove the block ads on, refresh, and then you can try and maybe it works. If it doesn't work, comment if it still doesn't work for you and I'll help you out. I reply to every single comment. The ad block can actually be an issue for a lot of people and for YouTube in general, and for other websites, because it actually crashes some pop-ups that occur and stops some processes from the website, so ads are not presented to the user, or in that case you. So ad block, if you have it, you might even remove it if you keep having this issue, or just exclude YouTube from the website ad blocks is working on. And you know what, I can shout you out in one of the next videos. Just comment your YouTube channel username or Instagram username down below and I'll shout you out in one of the next videos. And the shout out winner on this video is remember that a video day keeps the doctor away. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and check one of these videos now. Check them now.